Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is ZULAIKHA and my group mates are NABILA, HUDA and SABINA, SHAHNAZ. Today we are going to talk about application of transition elements in industry. What is transition elements? Transition elements is elements in the D block of the periodic table from group 3 to 12, generally hard and dense, less reactive than any alkali metals. Properties of transition metals: it can form colored compounds, good conductors of heat and electricity, can be bent into shape easily, high melting points. Four main transition metals in industry is titanium, copper, iron, and nickel. So now I'm going to explain about uses of transition elements in industry. Why transition elements are used in industry and their examples. And what is titanium? Common uses and properties of titanium in aerospace industry. Titanium is used in industry because of its high strength-to-weight ratio, high temperature performance, it's resistant to corrosion and heat. Airplanes that are made from titanium parts are lighter, and a lighter airplane consumes less fuel. The example is fastening elements, airframe, landing gear of airplanes, and aircraft engine. Common uses and properties of titanium in medical industry. Titanium is used in medical industry because it isn't magnetic. Patients with titanium implant can undergo MRI examinations. Good durability. Implants can last 20 or more years inside the human body. It is lighter but equally strong as stainless steel. Implants can be easily inserted inside the human body. The examples are knee implants, dental implants, hearing aids, bone screws, and surgical device.
Okay, next, copper. Common uses and properties of copper. Copper have higher electrical conductivity than other metals except silver, which is more expensive, and it allows electricity to travel through it without significant energy loss. It also easily bends. It is used in architecture due to the corrosion resistance and easy workability. It has a very good heat conductor for heating and cooling system. It does not react with water, so it is also often used to make water pipes. There is a few examples of common uses for copper, such as wires, cables, electrical circuits, pipes, and radiator. And then we proceed to the next transition metal, which is iron. Then there's a few common uses in iron. First, we can use it on buildings. A lot of buildings across the world are built with the help of metal iron rods. They are mainly used for support and also in the construction of other buildings materials such as the doors and window. Iron is the most common metal used for construction because of its cheap price. Also, iron is widely accessible compared to other metals, hence making it the best option. And then, lastly, we can use it on construction. Iron is one of the most used metals in the world. It has a lot of application in the construction industry. For example, it is used to make construction tools and materials. At first, metals were used for decoration rather than for putting up the structure. However, the construction industry has evolved and materials such as nails and hinges are made by using metals like iron.
Lastly, I'm going to talk about the last transition metal that we choose, which is nickel. Common uses of nickel in industry. It's used in plastic plating in automotive industry. Why nickel is used in this industry? Because it provides valuable benefits of aesthetic and durability. It also has the highest possible protections against corrosion and wear. It's also used for those applications that require the highest corrosion and heat resistance with the lowest deposit thickness. Nickel is also used in hydraulic system, shaft in different engine parts, in parking brakes, and in automotive gearboxes. To conclude, the transition metals have hundreds of responsibilities. They are key elements in life and evolution. Transition metals have become of utmost importance due to our ever-growing populations and economy. Their demand will continue as long as life as we know it continues. Thank you. That's all from us.